So many people have asked me this question that how can I apply the law of attraction to attract love? For getting my soulmate with all the qualities that I always wished he or she has. Like a loving nature, commitment, a great sense of humor, and financial stability. So I'll say you have asked a very great question, and do let me attempt to answer it in a way that it is useful to you right away. So you can get started on the process. From the law of attraction perspective, attracting a dream partner or a soulmate is actually a process of first aligning with the real truth of who you really are. And what is required is, I and this universe would like you to love yourself. Because unless you love yourself, you cannot love anybody else truly. You don't know love truly if you have not loved yourself. And that's truth. So for you to fall in love with who you really are as you are now, and to be so happy with who you are, so that the right partner for you is naturally and magnetically pulled towards you. And this happens due to law of attraction, because your energy and his energy are both aligned towards the same things in this way. He or she is also looking for someone who is very happy, very confident, kind, interested in life, funny, etc., etc. And the more time you spend exhibiting those qualities in yourself, the faster he or she can feel his or her way toward you to find you. And the more you are aware of and are focusing on your own best qualities, the faster the universe can bring both of you together. So source energy, or if you want to call it God or the universe, it already knows what your dreams are. You don't need to repeat it. It already knows what your heart wants most. Now, another important point to be noted here: when you really want something and you're looking at something that opposes it, you will feel negative emotions. But if you have thoughts that are pointed in the same direction as your desires, you will feel very powerful and positive emotions. So your desire for a significant long-term relationship has, grown and become a very strong desire over this period of time, and that is a really good thing. And in your positive expectation of things, such circumstances and event will occur, trust me, that will bring your perfect mate right to you. But what goes wrong with so many people, and you really want to listen it very carefully. So what goes wrong with so many people who are really wanting their soulmate to show up is that they try to force the creation of the relationship by fixing on someone, and trying to make this particular individual their perfect mate. And what happens when they see the evidence of things not going well? Then things get worse and worse for them. So here is my suggestion. Only if you could establish a less serious and a more playful approach to your relationships, not trying to make each one of them the one you are looking for, but instead saying, maybe this is someone with whom I am having a pleasure of sharing a meal, or this is someone with whom I am enjoying this conversation, or someone with whom I am having a good time today. So hear this and try to understand very carefully, and I'm sure it will make sense to you. When you are truly light-hearted about the people you spend time with, you will attract other like-minded, light-hearted people. But if you are seriously scrutinizing all of them, grilling all of them to see if they can be your dream mate, if you are becoming so desperate, then you will continue other scrutinizers as per the law of attraction. And both of you, each one of you, will continue to disappoint each other. So to conclude, when you bring yourself to a very good feeling attitude, I guess that's all is required here. When you bring yourself to a good feeling attitude about meeting the people, and you're looking forward to going out on a date for the sake of the fun, just pleasure that you will have on that particular day, rather than examining him for a lifetime relationship without that desperation, then you will be much more likely to remain a vibrational match to what you really want in a relationship. And trust me, then universe will more quickly bring you your perfect mate. So hoping it had made at least some sense to you. So till the next video, goodbye, take care.